This cafe is perfect. Quiet, cozy, and the coffee is great.
I love the smell of coffee here. It's so relaxing.
Let's sit by the window. I like watching people walk by.
Good idea. Look at that tiny dog outside. So cute.
Adorable. Okay, are you ready to order?
I think so. I want to try something different today. What are you getting?
I'm getting a black coffee and maybe a chocolate croissant. I'm really hungry.
That sounds nice. I think I'll get a cappuccino and maybe a blueberry muffin.
Good combo. So, how would you order that in English?
I'll have a cappuccino and a blueberry muffin, please.
Perfect. That's exactly how to say it. You could also say, "Can I get?"
Can I get a cappuccino, please?
Yes, that's very common and polite. And don't forget to smile. It helps.
Can I get a cappuccino and a muffin, please?
You got it. Oh, and if you want to sit here, they might ask for here or to go.
Right, so I say, for here, please.
Exactly. Or if you're taking it with you, say to go, please.
Got it. What if I don't want sugar?
Easy. You can say no sugar, please. Or without sugar, please.
So many little phrases, but they're all useful.
Super useful, especially if you travel or live in an English-speaking country.
I want to try ordering myself next time.
You'll do great. Just speak slowly and clearly. Everyone understands that you're learning.
True. I just need more confidence.
Confidence comes with practice. We can go to different cafes every weekend if you want.
That sounds fun. And delicious.
Yes. Learning English with coffee and cake? Not a bad deal.
This muffin is really good. Soft, fresh, and not too sweet.
Told ya. And my croissant? Amazing. So buttery and flaky.
I could sit here all day. The music, the coffee, the people. It feels peaceful.
That's why I love cafes. They're great for talking, reading, or just thinking.
Next time, maybe I'll bring my notebook and write.
That's a great idea. Or we can do an English practice session right here.
Perfect. Next weekend, I'll order for both of us.
Deal. I'll just sit and relax while you do all the talking. I need the practice. Let's make it a tradition.
I like that. Cafe Saturdays with Marco and Miranda.
And Sia English Talks, of course.